Hey guys, Jeff Costello here with Eastbrook Homes. Hope you're doing great. I'm up here at our town square development. Wanted to walk you through one of our townhouses real quick. It is finished. It is listed on our Eastbrook website, eastbrookhomes.com, as well as GRAR, which is the Grand Rapids Association Realtors website. 6674 South Square Lane. Let's go take a peek. All right, come on inside here and we'll take a look around. This is an end unit, so you do have some transom windows, plus some additional windows over in the dining area. This is 1525 square feet, and again, it is finished, completed. It is in a fourplex, so this is the final one of the fourplex. The other three are sold and closed. You do have the stainless steel appliances, gas stove, microwave, refrigerator with the ice maker line in there for you, and then also the dishwasher there as well. So nice stuff in that section. Beautiful white cabinetry with the black hardware. Accents are fantastic in here. Really, really nice. Outside here, you do have your kind of a courtyard area, your little private area in through here. This is kind of what we have in this section. And then you have a 2-stall detached garage. Storage above there, so if you want to go ahead and get up there, you can put some stuff up in that section there. So on this main level, this does have a powder room in this section here, okay? There are no basements in these. None of these have basements in it. I do have an area for coat closet in the back of the house, and then also a pantry / utility closet that you have here as well. So really nice stuff. Utility in here, furnace, tankless hot water heater, Nest thermostat, all that stuff is set to go for you. The flooring that you see is called a vinyl planking. These, again, don't have basements, so really nice on your feet when you're walking through here on a day that's a little bit colder. Let's head upstairs here and see what we've got. So walking upstairs, got my linen closet right up top there for you. This is a 2-bedroom, so kind of an ensuite area that we have. So this is bedroom 2 that we've got. It does have a walk-in closet for you, and then its own bathroom here as well, okay? Tub shower combination. So this is the secondary one here. And then as we travel a little bit farther upstairs, you do have your laundry room up here, set up for a gas dryer, and so you're ready to go with that. And then this is the owner's bedroom here. Really nice walk-in closet in this section there for you, okay? And then over in the owner's bathroom, beautiful tile shower. They did the design staff did a wonderful job on this tile shower here. Double bowl sinks with the quartz countertops. That's what you have. So if you want more information, let me know. Jeff Costello, Eastbrook Homes. Check out the website, eastbrookhomes.com. Have yourself a great day. Bye.